Alright guys, this is Sam. I've just gotten home and I've got this massive parcel from Airsoft Club, but it's not big enough to do all my stuff, so they must be sending 2 parcels. Or if they got something wrong, which I'm going to be annoyed if they have, because I had to wait like a month for this or something. But anyway, let's open it up and see what is in here. All the stuff that I ordered together from Airsoft Club cost around £120. Just the stuff from Airsoft Club, but we also bought some stuff from EB Airsoft as well. So some more unboxings for you guys as well. Oh, there we go. It's got some of the stuff. I don't think it's got all the stuff. It can't have all the stuff. It can't be. Oh, a little free gift. That's an England flag. If you can't see, England flag. There's a free gift. That's very nice. Very nice of them to be doing that. Now, how do I open this? They've just gone around it with sellotape. The thing that I liked about Airsoft Club is that when they sent it, they said it was a toy that was £8, so I didn't have to pay that much tax. I'm gonna have to bite this actually. There we go. Take that off. Open this off. Open it up. Oh, you can see the P-mag there already. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. We should be able to open this quite simply. Hopefully none of this is faulty or broken, so I don't have to send it back. Okay, let's see that first. A grip and a P-mag. A balaclava and a PEQ box, which is too small for my back to fit. And this must be a Riz rail. Oh, there you go. P-mag, bipod grip. There we go. Balaclava, PEQ box, and in here will be my Riz rail. Let's just open it up. Hopefully it won't take long. Well, 14 business days it took, which was kind of annoying. I ordered it in the holidays. This is my Riz rail. Yes, boy. It's my Riz rail. So yeah, guys, quickly show you now. Riz rail for my this is full metal, by the way, just to tell you this. To tell you that it's got a lock bit. So if you've seen any of Echo 3's videos, you'll know that Rob has like a Riz rail like this on his gun. So that's it. KWA. And it's KWA. Dave just told me. So well, just, anyway. Riz rail, a 74, 75 or 4, can't remember. Low cap magazine, P-mag, grip, PEQ box, and balaclava, and some sling mount, and a free gift. That was from Airsoft Club. All my stuff cost about £120, but there should be more coming. So sub up and stay active for some more unboxings for you guys.